Hello, this is my GoPro camera setup that I've used for making my videos when I need to use a GoPro. I have other video cameras that I use for most of the stuff, but when I wanted a GoPro, this is what I had. And I'm not really happy with the audio in it. I modified the frame, the mount here, by cutting a little notch here and over on the side where the microphones are to help that it would sound better, but it really didn't help that much. So I wanted to get an external microphone, because what I've been doing is I make a video, then I come home and I do a voiceover. So I wanted to get out of doing that, just make one video with audio. So I bought a ViewFlex. This is a little bit cheaper version. It's kind of like the Rode microphone, but it's not a Rode, it's a ViewFlex. And I had to have some way of mounting it to the GoPro. So I went ahead and I did a lot of research and looking on the internet, and I found this Ulanzi frame. And what I liked about this Ulanzi is that it's an aluminum frame, and that makes it just, to me, a little bit nicer. So this is what's in the box with it. It comes with the frame. It's got a dust cover here, lens cover, which is nice, and you can also screw in different lenses filters. And it also has a mount here that you can attach to the bottom of it, so you can use it on a GoPro type mount, or it's also threaded just the way it comes out like this, where you can thread it on to like a tripod. So I like that. The only issue is now that to use the microphone you have to have an adapter, a mic adapter. I got lucky. GoPro just got these back in stock, and I ordered the GoPro mic adapter, and this just came in the mail today. So let's see, I hadn't even opened it up yet, but you need this to use the microphone, which is kind of a pain, but it is what it is. And I was lucky, I thought, to be able to get one of these, because they've been really hard to find. There it is. So this there we go. This slides in to the bottom of this mount. Let's see, I guess you gotta come in this way. Just like that. And then on the GoPro itself, you have to take the little cover off on the side to get the spot where you plug in the USB cable. So that pops off. On the back of this, slides up. That's really nice. It's just simple. Drop the camera in there. Put that back in there. And that's done. And then the next thing is just to hook this cable up. Everyone I've seen, they put it upside down, kind of like that. And then the microphone. Now if you use the microphone just like this with this windscreen on it, there's no problem. But if you use the big dead cat, when you put it on, it's got, oh, by the way, the Ulanzi has a cold shoe mount here and one on the side, so you have two cold shoes, which is pretty nice. But when you put this on just like this, the microphone droops a little, and you pick up your dead cat in the video. So to cure that, I went ahead and I ordered another Ulanzi. This is a riser for the cold shoe. Just got this the other day, and the way it works, it's got a cold shoe mount here. You screw this on right here. You actually could put this on a tripod. It's got the threaded there, so you could put that on a tripod itself if you wanted to do it that way. Or you can put it on like that. There we go. And now my microphone. And I could put the microphone there. Now it's definitely out of the way. I could also put a video light on the side here or over here. So there's my little setup now. So, oh, one other thing you have to do. You have to run a cable from the microphone. And that's for a smartphone. This is the one for the audio here. So you gotta put that in. And then that plugs in right there. So that's my new setup. And I'll make a little video with it just to see what it sounds like. But turning it on, and now you can see in the video there's no dead cat showing up. Where down here the dead cat was there before, you could see it. So that cures that. And I might even be able to put it on the side over here so it's not quite so tall. Let's see. Let's see. That goes right here. Yeah. See, right there you can see just in the corner. So the mic has to be on top. So we'll put that back up there on the top. And now I'll do a video with the new microphone. And it's directional too. So let's just see. Oh, I'm in a burst mode right here, so let me get out of that. Okay, there we go. Now we're in video. So, let's see. This is a test of my new microphone, a ViewFlex microphone on my Ulanzi mount. So we'll see how it sounds. Alright, I'll post that on the end of this video and we'll see what it sounds like. So hold on. This is a test of my new microphone, a ViewFlex microphone on my Ulanzi mount. So we'll see how it sounds.